Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my video link if we're looking to Stellar. Let's look, before we look to Stellar, we look to Bitcoin price. You can see we have here the triangle. Yeah, that means if you look here, that is our triangle here. And we have to go out of this triangle to go to the top side. You can see we have here some formation and two directions. One is this, to go out of this channel, and the other is to go to the downside, yeah, to fall at these levels. So personally, I think we will go to the top side, but you know, this is Bitcoin. Everything can happen so that we can fall at these levels back. Yeah. But if you look to Stellar, then you can see and recognize we have here coming to the end. That means, let me check here. Let me check. Let me check here. Okay. So this is our negative channel to the downside, and we have to go out of this channel. That means, let me check and look. So let me check. So personally, I think if you look to the RSI, the price is falling here. And at this moment, you can see something interesting. The price will break this line to the top side. So for me is here at this moment, this is the moment in which we break this to the top side, because you can see here we break this. So the formation is finished, and the next step is to go to the top side. You can see also from the very detailed look to this place, and you can see clearly if we zoom this to the top side, then you can see that the formation here make this move. I think I'm not sure here, one little move to the downside is possible here, yeah, because you can see here these three dips. That means it can be possible that we can make here something like that. But be careful here, it can also possible that we say, okay, we have negative trend from this side, so that we fall back to these levels. Yeah, be careful here. It's not easy to predict here. We have here a good base. So these two possibilities we have. One possibility is to go to 56 cent. The other possibility is we have here this negative channel, the short-term negative channel, so that we can fall to 25 cent. Yeah. So after that, I expect that the price will go to these levels, stay here at these levels, and then the price will explode to the top side. Why we expect the explosion of the price? The reason is, if you look to the formation here, then you can recognize that we have here, let me check, then you can recognize that we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and this is finish, yeah, so that you can speculate it that the price will go to the top side. And especially if you look to this area, then you can see that we finish, or how can I say, test the level, or our old resistant levels here. That was a resistant, that was a resistant. We break this, and now we're testing this. So all signs for us is everything is perfect. After that, I expect that we will go here to the top side, downside, top side, downside, and then the price will explode in this direction. Yeah. So, and one important thing is also if you look to the RSI, then you can see, let me check and look to this area, especially, let me check, we have here, let's take this here. You can see we have here low. This was in direction of 22. The price go to the top side. This here, 007. This was at 29 RSI. Price go to the top side. So we are at RSI 37. Is expensive, I think. Yeah. If we want really go to the top side, we have to reach here 29. So we have a little bit risk to the downside, but this is not our head, that is our shoulder. That means that is normal that we can stay here at this level, but better is if we go to 29. Yeah, if we look more closer, then you can see and recognize that we have here a stupid formation. That means we have to go to the downside. So, and then this is exactly what I mean, that we have to go here to the downside, but I'm not happy about this. We could go here to the downside. Let me check. If we say this is our neckline, then theoretically we have to go to 35 cent. But you see, it's difficult. Yeah, maybe 25 or 35. But you also recognize that we have here this channel to the downside and stay here at the levels. So if you want more in the Wolf Exclusive Club, you get the end targets from my side. If you want more information in detail, then Wolf Profi is the right for you. You can get this on my YouTube channel, the membership. If you say, I want the end targets here, I not make here funny, then you come on the Wolf Exclusive Club. Then you get the hard facts and prices of Stella. So have a nice day. See you later. And if you want something right to me, then please write this in the comment field. Have a nice day.